is nothing quite like the raw, visceral feeling of gripping the throttle of a true American cruiser and letting the open road unfold before you. The rumble, the attitude, and the legacy of heavy metal machinery have kept riders coming back for generations. Today, we are diving deep into the future of that exact feeling, bringing you an exclusive look at what is coming next. The hype in the motorcycle community has been building up like a pressure cooker, and it is all centered around the highly anticipated 2026 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. Enthusiasts everywhere have been waiting to see how the motor company plans to push their legendary club-style cruiser to the absolute limit. We have got all the inside scoop, and trust me, you are going to want to hear every single word of this breakdown. Before we dive into the heavy specs, let us get one thing perfectly clear about the visuals you are looking at right now. The pictures and renders flashing across your screen are incredibly detailed concept designs, meant to give us a powerful taste of the aggressive aesthetic. We are expecting they capture the menacing vibe perfectly, but they are strictly conceptual artwork, meant to fire up your imagination. However, you need to listen closely right now, because while those images are just concepts, the mechanical details and the raw specifications we are about to drop are absolute reality. We have done the heavy lifting, sorted through the noise, and brought you the factual, ground-up details of what this bike is actually packing. There is zero guesswork in the performance numbers we are about to lay out for you. You are tuned into AMA Auto, your ultimate #1 destination for the hottest rides, the deepest dives, and the most accurate automotive updates on the planet. We know you do not want to waste your time with rumors, which is why we focus on giving you the straight facts. With a side of high-octane energy, this is where real gearheads come to get their daily fix. Here at AMA Auto, we pride ourselves on always bringing you the absolute best, most cutting-edge news before anyone else even catches wind of it. We are constantly working behind the scenes to ensure that whenever a major manufacturer makes a move, you are the first to know the real story. This channel is built specifically for you, providing top-tier automotive content day in and day out. The Low Rider S has always held the crown as the undisputed king of the West Coast club style, blending stripped-down agility with massive earth-shaking power. For 2026, Harley-Davidson is taking that foundational philosophy and pushing it into a completely new stratosphere of performance and attitude. This machine is designed for riders who demand respect. The second they pull up to a red light, this is not just a motorcycle. It is a rolling statement piece, a rebel yell on two wheels built exclusively for those who crave raw, unadulterated power. When you throw a leg over a bike like this, you are not just commuting. You are making a deliberate choice to dominate the asphalt. It is aggressive, it is unapologetic, and it is exactly what a modern muscle cruiser should be. Harley-Davidson knows better than anyone that their hardcore fan base demands absolute perfection, and they have poured endless engineering hours into refining this dark, custom masterpiece. They have listened to the street, taken notes from the custom builders, and integrated that underground DNA straight into the factory assembly line. The result is a bike that feels custom-built right out of the box. We are talking about a machine that perfectly bridges the gap between old-school Harley soul and brutal modern-day riding dynamics. It takes the nostalgia of the classic diner era and injects it with the kind of technological precision that modern riders absolutely require. The 2026 Low Rider S is the ultimate evolution of a modern classic, and it is ready to tear up the streets. Let us get straight into the beating heart of this beast, because the engine is truly what defines the undeniable Harley-Davidson experience. The 2026 model continues to rely on the legendary Milwaukee-Eight twin architecture and engine block that is globally famous for its relentless power delivery. It is a massive block of American iron that looks just as good as it performs. For this upcoming model year, you can expect this refined powertrain to deliver a jaw-dropping amount of torque. Right off the line, it is engineered to pin you to the back of the seat, the literal second you twist the throttle, giving you that 0 to 60 thrill that never gets old. The low-end grunt is specifically tuned to make city riding an absolute adrenaline rush, while Harley loves to keep some final displacement numbers close to the chest until launch day. Insiders confirm it builds heavily on the massive high output, 117 cubic inch platform. This means massive air intake, aggressive cam profiles, and an engine management system that squeezes every ounce of power out of those cylinders. It breathes fire and demands to be ridden hard. What does all of this mechanical engineering actually mean for you? Out there on the street, it translates to effortless highway passing, tire-shredding acceleration from a dead stop, and a power band that always has more to give. You will never find yourself searching for power. It is always right there waiting at your right wrist. And of course, we have to talk about the sound, because the factory exhaust note has been meticulously tuned to deliver that deep signature bass, heavy rumble. It is an acoustic signature that announces your arrival, blocks before you were even seen, sending vibrations straight through your chest. It is the soundtrack of freedom, perfected by Harley's acoustic engineers. But straight-line power is absolutely nothing without control. And the 2026 Low Rider S features a chassis built specifically for aggressive. Canyon carving runs the frame. Geometry is tight, rigid, and designed to eliminate any of the flex that used to plague older generations of heavy cruisers. This bike wants to be leaned over and pushed aggressively through the twisties. Up front, the massive inverted front forks are specifically engineered to stiffen up the entire front end of the motorcycle. This setup gives the rider razor-sharp steering response, incredible stability at high speeds, and direct feedback from the road surface. You will feel exactly what the front tire is doing at all times, boosting your riding confidence immensely. In the rear, a hidden free piston monoshock works overtime to smooth out the rough patches of city pavement. More importantly, it keeps the back tire firmly planted during heavy acceleration, ensuring all that V-twin torque actually makes it to the ground. Preload adjustment allows you to dial in the ride exactly to your weight and riding style. To bring all of this heavy speeding metal to a rapid and safe halt, Harley has equipped the bike with premium, high-performance dual front disc brakes. A bike with this much forward momentum needs serious stopping power, and these massive rotors are more than up to the task. They are designed to dissipate heat quickly, preventing brake fade during aggressive riding sessions. These top-tier brakes offer exceptional initial bite and a very smooth, linear feel through the brake lever. This ensures that you have total confidence when diving hard into tight, technical corners or dealing with sudden traffic stops in the city. You get sport bike-level stopping reliability, wrapped in a heavy cruiser package. Visually, the 2026 model doubles down on that iconic stripped-down, blacked-out aesthetic that made the Low Rider S an instant legend in the first place. Everything from the powertrain to the exhaust system. And the primary cover is drenched in rich, dark finishes. It is a sinister look that perfectly matches the aggressive nature of the bike's performance. Shiny chrome is completely out of the picture here, replaced entirely by brooding, matte, and gloss black elements that give the bike a highly menacing profile. Even sitting perfectly still on the kickstand, it looks like it is going 100 miles an hour. It is a masterclass in dark custom styling, meant to fly under the radar until you crack the throttle. This classic, tough styling is perfectly paired with modern LED lighting all around, seamlessly blending old-school looks with new-school tech. The brilliant LED headlamp pierces the darkest nights, throwing a massive beam down the road, while making sure you are highly visible to everyone else. The taillights and turn signals follow suit, offering crisp, bright illumination. Ergonomically speaking, you are looking at a classic mid-mount foot control setup, combined with a robust moto-style drag bar sitting on tall risers. This is the absolute hallmark of the club-style motorcycle, giving the rider a very active, engaged position on the bike. It is built for handling and control,